Hey y'all, so it has been a minute since we've been out here in this garden. It has been cold. We've been having crazy weather, but I wanted to get out here and just show y'all really what was supposed to be these, what was these, sugar snap peas? We have a few, but for the most part, it looks like the cold weather has gotten to some of them, a lot of them actually, so we don't even have that much. And y'all see how windy it is out here already. So and then as far as our onion, we have, it's a few that are coming in, but the cold weather, I believe, got to a lot of those because we have had wishy-washy weather for the past couple of months. So yeah, so let me show you what we do have while I'm still right here. You see how some of this right here, it looks like the cold weather has gotten to them. So that's it. Now we're gonna leave these trellised up so maybe they can bounce back, but let me just head over to the porch so I can see what all we have over here. Alright, so right here we have some cabbage. Looks like it's doing fairly well. We decided to bring it in to keep a little bit of that weather that's out there off of it. So we've just been covering it up with this. And then we have some carrots right here. And we have the lettuce still. We've been eating on this, so we still have that. I don't know exactly what this is. Let me ask him real quick. But then we also have some onion in this container as well, and some lettuce. So it's a little bit of everything that's in here. We still have our kale and the Swiss chard, and we've definitely been eating on both of these, that Swiss chard and this. And then we have the marjoram that is doing really, really well. Rob, what's in these red cups? What's in these red cups right here?
Collard green seedlings.
Okay, so collard green seedlings are right here. So that's it. That's what we have. And then I'm going to show y'all something else that we are working on as well. But this is it so far. So good. And that's the garden. Doing absolutely nothing right now. So yeah. Oh, and we have cilantro right here. So we've been having a lot of using a lot of this in our taco nights. But for the most part, that's it. That's what we have. Can't wait to get to this lettuce. I mean, not the lettuce, the cabbage though. So we'll see.